Hi, I'm Chuck, and today we're going to perform a pressure calibration on this AC438 for Matco. To do that, we'll start with the menu. To find the pressure calibration selection, we're going to go down and scroll to the service menu. Now this function is typically performed by service providers, so you're going to have to enter in a password here of debug before you can enter the menu. Once in the service menu, we're going to go down to pressure calibration. Now it's going to tell us that this needs to be performed near where the device is going to be installed. This is because these units work at atmospheric pressure, and so we want to zero it to the location that the machine's being used. It's going to say the procedure requires a reference pressure gauge, but this is possible to do in the field without a pressure reference gauge, just by using the LP gauge. So that's what we'll end up using instead of a pressure reference gauge. So we're going to say yes to this. At this point, it's going to ask me to remove or disconnect the LP or HP hoses from any system. They can remain parked to the parking couplers in the back of the unit, however, and say yes. So our initial hose drain is now winding down to the end, and we can continue with our process. At this point, we want to take the cylinder fitting, which is this fitting that comes in the bag in the basket of the unit, and we want to connect this to the LP coupler. You want to insert it without screwing in the coupler. In the next step, it says to open the LP so that ambient air enters the hose. So that's what we'll do. We'll open the coupler, and we should hear a little bit of a pressure release there. At that point, we can hit yes on the screen. And now it's going to ask us to connect a reference pressure gauge to HP. I'm also going to back this coupler out in preparation for the next step. We're going to be using the LP gauge, so I'm going to just say yes to this screen. Now it'll run a vacuum, and you see it'll add pressure to the hose line. At this point, we want to read the gauge so that we can put an accurate pressure measurement into the machine. Once I'm done entering the reading on the LP gauge, I'm going to hit OK. And the machine will continue to drain the hoses for the last time. We've now finished the vacuum phase of this after the pressure drain, and their calibration is done. Now I can hit OK, and it'll take me back to the menu. Remember to disconnect your LP adapter and place it in the basket for safekeeping. That completes the pressure calibration demonstration for this Matco AC438. For more information, please visit us online.